Here's how to set up multiple email accounts on iPhone. The first thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Now scroll down and select apps. Then you want to scroll down a bit and find the option of mail. Go ahead and select that. Here select mail accounts. This is where you will find all of your emails. If you want to set up a different email account, go ahead and select add account. Now you will have to enter your email address over here. So go ahead and do that. Once you have added your email address, tap on the next option. On the next page, select your provider. I'm going to select Google. Now it's going to say open browser. Tap on that. Now a browser is going to open up. There you will have to select enter password. Then all you want to do is enter your password. Now complete the on-screen prompts. Enable mails, contact, calendar and notes. Once you do that, your another email address will be successfully added on your iPhone. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.